This is Ivan. Welcome to the coupon camp. Let's get it going with our 5 off 25. Sorry I'm late, guys. I done hit up so many graduations, but appreciative to seeing people excel. Let's go. Okay, guys, what you're going to pick up in this deal is going to be one Colgate Max Fresh at $3.25. It's a $2 coupon. One Scott tissue at $5, or the one for $3.50. But I want to pick the 12-pack up. This has a $1 coupon. You're going to pick up one of the Febreze plug-in warmers at $3.30. It's a $3.30 coupon. One Febreze small space at $3.25. It is a $2 coupon. One Finish 18 count at $5. It's a $2 coupon. And one Gang Fling 14 count at $4.50. It's a $1 manufacturer coupon. So let's do the math. We're going to add up, look at all the coupons first, guys, okay? Let's look at it. And the first thing I always want you guys to check out is your 5 off 25. Make sure you hit that. If it is a plus sign, that means you did not claim it. But if it's a check mark, you claimed it, okay? So let's start adding. The first thing we're going to look at is the Colgate Max Fresh. The Colgate Max Fresh is $3.25. Now this has a couple of coupons. On this particular time going around, we're going to look at the $2 manufacturer coupon. That is the one we want to use. But look out for this $7 one because we will be using that one, okay? Then you want to scan the Finish. The Finish is $5 and it has a $2 manufacturer coupon. Let's scan the Gain. The Gain is $4.50. Has a couple of coupons, but the one we're going to concentrate on is the $1 Dollar General coupon, okay? That's what you're going to concentrate on. So what does that mean? We need to go up to $26 at least. Now let's do the Febreze warmer. It's $3.30, and we have a $3.30 coupon. Then we're going to do the Febreze small space. Sorry, guys, I'm working with one hand. And it's $3.25, and we have a $2 coupon, okay? Okay, so let's start doing the math. $3.25 for the Colgate, $5 for the Scott, $5 for the Finish, $4.50 for the Game Flings, $3.25 for the small space, and $3.30 for the warmer. Take you to $24.30. You need to add in $2 more of something, okay? Now, what we're going to add in is, let's grab the Clorox. The Clorox is $2.75 plus. If you want $2.75, and it has a $1 coupon, take you to $27.05. Now we're over about $2. Look at the coupon for the Clorox. Okay, $2.75, and you have a $1 coupon expiring tomorrow. So here we go right here. First thing is going to come off is that $1 Dollar General coupon for the Flings. Then your 5 off 25 is going to come off. Then your $1 for the Clorox, your $2 for the Colgate, your $2 for the Finish, your $1 for the Scott, your $3.30 for the warmer, and your $2 for the small space, taking you to $9.75. You're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, okay? Divided by 7 items, $1.39 each. Now, this is a great deal already because you're going to pay a $1.39. But if you can get away with paying $1.39 for a 12 count of the Scott tissue, that's the better deal right there, okay? Let's get to our next deal. Okay, the next deal we're going to go to is this, guys. You're going to pick up one tab pop, and it is the 18XL packs at $9.95. It's a $2.05 manufacturer coupon. Then you're going to pick up 4 of the boxes of Max Fresh Colgate toothpaste, because remember, one is a $2 coupon, and then the other one is $7 off 3. And then one Clorox at $2.75 with a $1 coupon. So let's look at the coupons again, and we're going to look at the Colgate one because that has more coupons than we need. We need those, okay? So here you go right here. This is $3.25 for the Max Fresh. Remember, we picked 4 of them up. Why do we pick up 4? Because now we're going to use the $2 coupon, and we're going to use the $7 coupon off of 3, okay? Then let's look at the Tide Pod. Tide Pods is $9.95. And you have a $2.05 coupon manufacturer. We do not have to cover that coupon yet. But this one right here, I used this coupon, guys, and I did not get it back, so I kind of been holding off from that one. So let's do the math on that one, okay? The Tide Pods is $9.95. The Max Fresh toothpaste is $3.25, and we need to do that 4 times. And then you have your Clorox for $2.75. Takes you to $25.70 on the head, guys. 70 cents over. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $2.05 off your Tide. Take your $1 off your Clorox. Take your $2 off that one Max Fresh toothpaste. Then take your $7 off the 3, okay? Take you to $8.65. This is $9.95. Your whole deal is $8.65, guys. You cannot beat that deal. Divided by 6, $1.44. So not only is your whole deal cheaper than your Tide, but now if you do the deal, you'll be paying $1.44 for this Tide XL White, right? Awesome deal right here. This is awesome, okay? Make sure you take advantage of these deals. And don't forget your expiring coupons. Let's get to our next deal. Okay, guys, now this is a deal right here you need to stock up on if you have all these coupons, okay? Pick up 1 Gain Fling 14 count, $4.50. We have a $1 and coupon. It's a Dollar General, so we have to cover that coupon. And then this is the Gain Flings the Arm & Hammer Oxy Flings 14 pack at $4.25. It's a $2 coupon. The all is $5 and it's a $1.50 coupon. Then you get 2 Axe deodorants at $5.75 and it's a $6 off coupon off too. We're going to scan what we did not look at, okay? And see if we need to cover it. Right? Okay, the all is $5 and you have a $1.50 coupon, plus you have this Earn 75 cents. If you do not have this one, these two will not work together though. Scan the Arm & Hammer, and the Arm & Hammer is $5.75, and we have a the Axe is $5.75. We have a $6 off 2 coupon. That is your high value coupon, guys. And then we have the Arm & Hammer. It is $4.25, and we have a $2 coupon. Now let's see if we high enough to cover this Gain. $4.50 for the Gain, $4.25 for the Arm & Hammer, $5 for the all, and $5.75 for each one of the Axes. $25.25. So we already know that we don't have enough. So what you should do is find some candy for 75 cents. Now remember that plus 0.75, get it to $26 because this is a Dollar General coupon. Remember that. So let's start. Take your $1 off the Gain because that's how it's going to come off. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off the Arm & Hammer. Take your $1.50 off the all, and then take your $6 off of the Axe. Leave you at $10.50. Divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. $2.10 is your deal. First of all, 210, and these are 210. Those are awesome deals. Now, guys, let's get some substitutes. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, you're gonna pick up this Big Flex 3 count. Let's scan it. Okay, we want to make sure we scan our stuff. Okay, and this $5.50. It's $5.50, and you have a $2 coupon. Okay, that is expiring. Now we're gonna go over here to back down this aisle. Okay, you have the Downy Unstoppables right here. Let's scan it. The Downy Unstoppables is a $6.95. Got a $1.05 coupon. That is expiring tomorrow, okay? Then you have the Dawn Platinum at $4.95, and you have a $2 coupon that's not expiring as of yet, guys, so you're okay. Okay, your Airwick Essential Oils is $12, and guess what? You have a $5 off coupon, high value. Now, you guys remember how we had that coupon for the $1 off of the Scott tissue? This is $3.50. If you had a $1 coupon, it makes it $2.50. Just make sure you get up to your $25. Make sure you do, or you will be in trouble. Now, also, this Colgate right here. Let me see if it's running out, because if it is, I'm going to give the one for $4, okay? The one for $4. Let's see. That's $4 right there. And that coupon is that $2 off coupon you can use, and it is expiring tomorrow. So I'm going to grab mine today. Okay, now let's not forget the Oral-B coupon right here that's expiring tomorrow. It's $4, and that expires tomorrow, and it is also $2 off. All right, don't forget that one. Now, when you turn here, I want you to look at the ZZ quilt. It's not here, but if you can find the ZZ quilt one for $4.35, it's a $2 coupon, making that $2.35. That's a great filler. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you appreciate this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share all these coupon camp, because we don't keep around here.